Public School, Etapalli. So today I am standing before you to talk about artificial intelligence, its potentials and concerns. So what is AI? Artificial intelligence is the ability for a computer to learn, think and stimulate human mental processes such as perceiving, reasoning and learning. It can also perform complex tasks that once required human input. Birth of AI. In 1956, AI was invented by John McCarthy and he is also known as the father of AI. In India, it was firstly invented by Professor H.N. Mahabala. And next, examples of AI. We use AI in various situations and even in our daily lives, such as chatbots, e-commerce, facial recognition, autonomous vehicles, and recommendation systems, etc. So, with the developed technology, we can now even make a human-like robot, and one such example is Sophia, the AI robot. Sophia is a realistic humanoid robot capable of giving human-like expressions and interacting with people. It was developed in Hong Kong by the company of Concern Robotics in 14th February 2016. It is designed for research, education and entertainment purposes, and it also promotes AI ethics and the future of robotics. Next is potentials of AI. There are so many uses of AI such as recommendation system. Recommendation system can help people to stay engaged and informed. For example, virtual assistants like Siri and Alexa, personalized content on streaming platforms and apps that suggest the best routes based on traffic. Next, customer service. Customer service teams can get feedback from their customers by using AI. For example, AI-powered information can provide agents with information on client content, language and sentiment so that they are aware of how to approach an encounter. Next is medical diagnosis. It helps in providing more exact diagnosis and detects hidden patterns in imaging investigations and predicts how patients will respond to specific medication, which will definitely lead to better treatment and fewer clinical errors. Next is image and facial recognition. It can help make the data more safer and secure. It ensures that only an appropriate person has access to sensitive data which is intended only for them. Now, we saw there are uses of AI and there are concerns of AI also, such as job loss due to AI and automation and weapons automatization, social manipulation through AI, ethical dilemmas and increased criminal activity, social manipulation and etc. So, we saw there are concerns of AI, but we can make a better use of AI by using it responsibly. AI can help do repetitive work for humans, but humans should still be prioritized. Create a culture that utilizes empathy, creativity and dexterity from humans and AI for increased efficiency. Business should adopt strong security measures, limit access to sensitive data and anonymize data whenever possible to secure data privacy. There needs to be fairness in AI, which entails identifying and eliminating discrimination while also encouraging inclusion and diversity. This can be by using training models with equal representation. Develop explainable AI that is visible across process and functions to generate trust among employees and customers. Provide examinability, comprehension and traceability. I think we should use AI responsibly and wisely. This is my point of view, and now I am ready to answer all of your questions. Thanks.
What are the real world examples